Welcome to MetaMask versus BitGo wallet. Which crypto wallet is better? Links to both products are in the description for your convenience. In this video, we'll dive into the features, strengths, and target audiences of MetaMask and BitGo wallet to help you decide which one is right for you. MetaMask is a versatile hot wallet available as a browser extension and mobile app. It's specifically tailored for interacting with the Ethereum blockchain and other EVM-compatible networks. MetaMask is a favorite among users engaging in DeFi, NFTs, and other Web3 applications. With features like token management, seamless dApp integration, and built-in token swapping, it's designed for everyday users and developers who frequently interact with blockchain ecosystems. However, as a hot wallet, MetaMask is online dependent, making it more vulnerable to phishing attacks and malware. So users must take precautions, like storing seed phrases securely and avoiding suspicious links. BitGo Wallet, on the other hand, is a professional-grade wallet service designed for institutions and high-volume users. It offers multi-signature security and enterprise-level features, making it ideal for companies, fund managers, and users needing added layers of security and transaction approvals. BitGo also provides custodial and non-custodial options, allowing users to maintain full control over private keys or entrust them to BitGo's insured custody solutions. It supports a broad range of cryptocurrencies, offers regulatory compliance tools, and integrates with APIs for custom solutions. However, BitGo's setup can be more complex, and its features are better suited for institutional-grade users than casual traders or DeFi enthusiasts. When choosing between MetaMask and BitGo, your decision will depend on your needs. MetaMask is ideal for individual users deeply involved in the Web3 space, prioritizing ease of use and compatibility with decentralized platforms. BitGo, by contrast, is a go-to for institutions or individuals requiring top-tier security and operational control over significant assets. Evaluate your requirements and explore both options via the links below. Let us know which wallet fits your needs in the comments.